How to fix contact photo not showing in full screen in iPhone. The first thing to do is go to your settings and then scroll down until you see an option called contacts. As you can see on the screen, click on contacts option and then you will be redirected to a new page. Here click on accounts and then click on the fetch new data option. Once you click on it, make sure the button option beside push is turned on. Also make sure that the fetch data is set to automatically down below and not to manually hourly every 30 minutes or every 15 minutes. After you have checked this information, go back to the home screen and click on the contact whose contact photo you want to change. After clicking on edit, click on add photo and here you can either select photos, memoji, monogram or camera picture. For now, I am currently using the memoji option but this is the same if you want to add a picture as well. After you have added your required memoji or picture, all you have to do is click on next and then click on done. You will be allowed to preview the poster and as you can see, you can now see the contact photo in full screen. After doing the needful as the contact has asked you, click on done and once you click on edit, you can also see how your poster will appear. And this is how you can easily fix contact photo not showing in full screen in iPhone. We hope this tutorial helped you. Thank you for watching and do subscribe to our channel for more such useful videos.